What's going on, guys? So today is Saturday, June 8th. It's my birthday, and I'm 32 today. It's crazy. But I decided, since I got to leave work early today because it was raining and stuff, and you know, photography and rain don't really mix, that I made up with Connor. What's up? And we're cruising for copperheads because I really want to get, if I get a live copperhead today on my birthday, it's gonna be the best ever. So yeah, I know I just posted a cruising video last time, but there's gonna, like I said, there's gonna be a lot more cruising videos coming up. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So I will get back with you guys as soon as we find one. And where it's raining, I don't have, again, my other camera. My GoPro I didn't bring either because if we do find a venomous snake, I can't really get close to him with the GoPro. You can't really zoom on a GoPro. So just got my phone, still good quality and everything else like that. But yeah, so hopefully, I mean, this road just looks too good to not have something. This is where we found the copperhead in the last video, the dead one. So hopefully we'll get a live one. Well, Connor and I have went away from driving, parked way up there, and we're just kind of walking this, see if we can find anything, because we had a little break in the rain. And you'd think there'd be stuff all in these trenches, but it's weird. We're not seeing anything at all. Nothing DOR. Had a dude pass us that was telling us that the only good snake is a dead snake, so tried to educate him, but he wasn't having it. So probably some nifty little salamanders down in this area. Might have to check that out, because it goes down there a little bit before we get to people's property. I guess this is just a stretch of public land, but this is right around the area where we found that copperhead, so it's kind of hoping we want to be out cruising. Yeah, so right here what we have, we just cruised up on going around along the road, is the eastern newt in the F stage, and that is their land dwelling stage, and they can turn into where they, which it looks like he's about to, their aquatic stage. But he hasn't quite turned into there yet, but that is a really cool find. I found these in their aquatic stage, but never in their little F stage. Normally they're really red. I'm gonna go ahead and get this guy out of the road. He was going over here. There you go, buddy. Be safe, okay? Be safe. That's really cool. Alright, so sorry it was kind of a rushed clip, but there were cars, they just speed down this road because it's literally just like a straight stretch, so people just race and go like 100 miles an hour down this road. It's stupid. Tennessee, you guys suck at driving. But anyway, going back to what we had just found, that was an eastern newt, like I said, in the EFT stage. That's EFT. And what that is, that's their land roaming. Their aquatic stage comes later, and the F stage is when they're on land and everything else like that, and they're not really aquatic. But normally they are like a more reddish kind of colored, and they do still have those spots, but they're mainly more that reddish kind of color. And where he was like that olivey color, starting to turn into that, what I think was going on is he was getting ready to go to a pond where he was going to morph, because when they're like that in that F stage, they can just morph whenever they choose to. So with all this rain that we've been having, he probably was making his way to the water to go ahead and morph and turn into the eastern newt, the aquatic stage with the paddle tail and everything else like that we normally know. So yeah, that's really cool. I've never cruised one of those before. I found one once a long time ago, so that's like the second one I've ever found in the F stage. So that's really cool. Nice little birthday present. But we're gonna keep cruising, see if we get anything else. Unfortunately, we found a rough green snake. I went back, I saw him writhing in the road. Sorry for the gore. I saw him writhing in the road. I guess he got hit before we get back to him, but oh man, it's a rough green snake. I couldn't film him in the road, and there were people going everywhere, so oh my gosh, that sucks. Well, the first copperhead of the year, and then our first rough green snake in the year. It's the only second one I've ever found hit. Man, well, hopefully we can find something alive and end this video on a good note. Alright guys, well, I'm back here at the house. I didn't want to do a closing with Connor because I didn't know if I was going to be seeing any turtles or anything on the drive home. Unfortunately, or fortunately, however you want to see it, I didn't see any box turtles on the road. I'd rather not see any of them at all on the road than see dead ones or ones I can't get to. So, because people around here drive stupid. Like, they will ride your butt even if you're going 20 over the speed limit. Like, they don't care, and they won't pass you. Like, there was one dude that's just driving his lawnmower down the road. Just straight down the road. It's ridiculous. So, Tennessee, you need to get your crap together on driving. That's for sure. But, overall, you know, didn't get a copperhead on the trip, which was my goal. But, you know, for my birthday, wanted to go out. Start out 32 by going out road cruising for herps. And bittersweet, but, you know, that newt was pretty cool. Even though the rough green was dead, that was still pretty cool. And then we also cruised up on a baby snapping turtle on the main road that once we got to was already hit, but I wanted to spare you guys the gore, so I didn't film that, and I was kind of bummed out of just finding dead things from the last remainder of the video. But anyway, guys, love y'all, and tomorrow I think I'm going out with Connor and Cody, both my brothers, to go out doing some road cruising because it's supposed to be raining again, so we'll see how that goes. That's if work calls and says, hey, we don't need you to come in today because it's raining. So if that's the case, then that's what I'll be doing. So I'll be looking forward to that, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you're brand new, don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to hit that like button. And yeah, see you tomorrow.